So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in MSI EXET space / unregister. And then click on enter. Now you want to type in MSI EXEC space / reg server. And then click on enter again. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads right here, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them. So you just want to click on both of them. And it's now going to start downloading. And now once you've downloaded both of them, you just want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. And we're now going to be in our downloads folder with both of these downloads. So now we're just going to install both of them. I'm going to start with the first one. It's going to be x64 for me. I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. And now once that's been installed, you want to click on close. Now we're going to install the other one. You want to double click on it. And then you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. And now once that's been installed, you want to click on close. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.